This member of the mushroom family, this fungus, is for the moment known only as X. It was discovered barely weeks ago growing in a remote rainforest. Science has not yet given it a name, for science knows scarcely anything about it. But it is felt that X might have one remarkable quality, that it stimulates extrasensory perception, enabling the mind to become telepathic and clairvoyant. Now that's a rather large claim. Is it true or false? The answer to that question took us on a unique and distant journey.
Hala, sige nguya, wag mong idura. Kapit ka lang maigi, medyo bauga. Dito mo masusubukan kung hanggang saan ang kapal na muka. Iiwan ka na lang tulala.
Tesla designed the antenna to observe every kind of frequency out there, subspace, transdimensional, you name it. And they found exactly what they were looking for. There were always rumors of a secret entrance the four kept just for themselves. A one-way ticket in case of emergencies.
Alam mo bang hanapan ng nakatagong yaman sa katunayan? Dami pang dapat patunayan, dahilan para mas lalo upang husayan. Trip lang dito sa may tambayan, gawin natin ito makasaysayan. Lapit na maging super science, sa dami ng nanguyang pansayan. Pati kubensis, pa-emplis, manometnis, paligid ay naging parang ekse. Nasa Tetris, mga lakad na di na kailangan pang umekis. Oras na para galawin yung baso, telekinesis. Nais ko rin sanang tindihan, ngunit minabuti ko na munang simplihan upang mas maintindihan. Mahalagang may maayos na kaisipan, at higit sa lahat ligtas ang kapaligiran. Hala, sige nguya, 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 nguya. Tikman ang kabutihan, tikman. Tingnan ang malapitan, tingnan. Nakakaligaw lang minsan. Hala, sige nguya, 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 nguya. Tikman ang kabutihan, tikman. Tingnan ang malapitan, tingnan. Kailangan humalukay minsan. Hala, sige nguya.
Di mo kailangan na magpaka-Super Mario, lalo na kung hindi ka nagbagutom ermitanyo. Lalo na kung ayaw mong magpausok ng sambong, magpausok ng kangkong sa keramikong bong. Itong magkakapatid ng babae pa si Kuchong, utility belt ni Orion sa nakapuruntong. Nananatiling puro tanong kahit